Dear students, today we are going to discuss on the topic essay. Essay is also a genre of literature, and we need to know what an essay is, how an essay is written, what are the different types of essay. I am Dr. Bapuri Kalita, Assistant Professor in English, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, from downtown India. Let us now discuss what an essay is. An essay is a short academic composition. The word essay is derived from a French word, essay or essayer, which means train. In composition, however, an essay is a piece of non-fiction writing that talks or discusses a specific topic. Presently, essay is part of every degree program. Now, essay, you need to know essay, and you will also learn how a essay is written, and what are the how the topics are selected, and what are the different types. Each subject has specific requirements for the essays to be written. Some subjects need longer essays while others need shorter ones, such as 5-paragraph essay. In composition, the start is made from a 5-paragraph essay based on the requirements. So, an essay, again, the essay dates back to French. The French writer Michel de Montaigne was the first writer who termed his works as essays. Next, what we need to discuss are the different types of essays. Essays are broadly divided into 4 types: expository, descriptive, narrative, and persuasive. Now, what in English language, Francis Bacon is a renowned essayist. He published his book, his essays in book form in 1597, 1612, and 1625. And there are numerous essays written by Bacon in English. However, another essayist of English language is Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson used the word essayist in English in 1609, according to the Oxford English Dictionary. And there are several other essayists who have made their mark in writing essays, who are very much deft in writing essays. And some of the renowned essayists are Virginia Woolf, Voltaire, Joseph Edison, Richard Steele, Charles Lamb, William Hazlitt, George Orwell, and George Bernard Shaw. Now let us try to understand uh, understand the 4 different types of essays. Firstly, expository essay. What is an expository essay? An expository essay exposes things in detail to make readers understand without any complications. So, an expository essay gives the explanation of the idea or the theme or the issue by giving personal opinion. The writer gives his or her personal opinion and tries to expose the detail of the idea or the theme that he or she has chosen to write upon. Next type of essay is descriptive essay. A descriptive essay describes something to make readers feel, smell, see, taste, or hear what is described. That means the characteristics and the features of the topic chosen for the essay is given in detail, is described in detail, and it allows the writer takes the liberty to evoke the sense of all the 5 senses in the audience by describing the details of the topic. The other 2 types are narrative essay and persuasive essay. So what is a narrative essay? Narrative essay, although the name is narrative, it is not a fiction, it is non-fiction, non-fictional work. A A narrative essay is a narration like a short story. It is narrative like a short story. The narration is made. It is, however, different from a short story in that it is written in an essay format. So, although it is narrative, the narration is used in a narrative essay. It is non-fictional and also it is not a story. It is an essay. Next is persuasive essay. A persuasive essay is meant to convince the target audience to do something or not to do something. Persuasive, as the word itself means, indicates that it is to convince the readers and to adopt the position or accept the point of view of the writer. What he is trying to say, the writer, he or she tries to convince the readers to accept that point of view by using reasoning uh, in relation to the argument that the essay deals with, and that is why it is also known as argumentative essay. Persuasive essay has another name, it is also known as argumentative essay. Now, there is a format of the essay. Generally, a simple five paragraph has five paragraphs, including an simple essay has five paragraphs, including an introduction, three body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Moreover, an essay is a specific discussion where the introduction is given and the idea is introduced to the readers. The body or the middle section, there the argument is discussed, explained, and all the reasoning, all the things related to the topic are given, and the reader is tried to the readers are tried to be persuaded by the author or the writer of the essay to accept the point of view, the writer's point of view. And the conclusion, it summarizes the content and the findings of the essay. However, it is notable that essays are not dissertations or theses. They have a limitation. Although there is an argument in the essay, however, they deal with different themes and analyzes text, gives political opinions, scientific ideas, abstract concepts. Also, sometimes the essay may be autobiographical and also biographical. But essays are not thesis or dissertation. They are shorter form, and they are in the body, the body, and the conclusion. The essay is completed in a short way by giving the point of view of the writers, and the writer may choose which type of essay he or she wants to write. So the function of essay is, an essay is a specific discussion or debate on a topic from a specific point of view. A student discusses the topic from his own specific angle. Readers not only get a glimpse of what the other aspect of the essay is, they also come to know about the tone and voice of the student writers to decide whether she has achieved a certain level of capability in writing. In literary essays, a writer becomes the influence that literary piece has upon the readers about a certain point of view. Essays are also useful in winning public approval about certain political ideas. So, essays are short pieces of prose, non-fictional prose, where the writer puts forward his or her point of view, his or her perspective regarding the topic, and tries to convince the reader and give an idea about that topic to the readers. That is all for today about essay. Thank you.